Hit us with something.
December 6th, we are here doing things. Big things are gonna happen.
Big things.
Probably not. Probably gonna sit here, kill absolutely nothing.
Probably.
And go home and do it all over again tomorrow, and then not do it again for.
Basically, Cody's saying we're 2 days away from season ending. Today, December 7th is the last day. It's the 6th, and we're out here hunting the river again. Yeah, it's tragic. It's the only thing that's open around here because it's been freezing. This is the warmest day. It feels like it's 40. It's like 20 probably right now. We're out here. I'll put a clip at the beginning. I took out Jack and Caden. You'll see him in a little bit. We'll give you an intro for him. And he got his first ever goose that day, and hopefully we can get his first duck. So let's show you Caden. Caden's just gonna tell you some good things.
I hope we're gonna get after today. It's nice and warm out, so beats the other day when it was like -10. So
Oh yeah.
Can't get better than this.
Oh gosh, yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh, right in front. Oh yikes. Not yet. Not yet. So Drake Val's already ripped through here. I'm gonna put this down. We got the head cam ready to go, and hopefully we just start looking at birds because it's gonna get greasy of just watching today. So stay tuned. Red. Oh. Don't move slow. Move slow. Move slow. Oh. Wait. Oh, yikes. Look at these two. Kill these two.
Oh shit. They did land.
Well, go get those. Sweet. I mean, I should have told you that this morning. Oh, you missed them. Yeah, we got a cripple out there. You keep going for ducks.
Oh my god, look at the ducks. Look at them all. They're all there.
Oh my god.
Dude, this is insane.
Dude. Geese. Keep your heads down. Oh, big flock to the back, behind us. Big flock landing. Oh my god. Ready?
Ready? Kill him.
Oh my god. Dude, we should have shot them behind us.
Yeah, we should have shot him way earlier. It's insane.
Dude, we had a flock of like 10 landing right behind us. That was nasty. Wait, just wait. Just wait, they're gonna come in. They're coming. Shoot the big back. Ready? Now! Oh!
There's one.
Sweet! Oh god. Alright. Really? Well, this is the hunt we were trying to get Caden on before. Yeah, they was working them geese. We had ducks coming through, we had divers, mallards, and finally had some old honkers come in, do it greasy right behind us. That was gnarly. Oh my god.
Some geese. Mojo off.
Oh yeah, let's wait over us. Oh no.
Oh, divers are coming back too. Cody, do you want to shoot divers or no?
I don't care.
Okay, there's divers coming right back.
Yeah.
Ready?
Try it. Nope. Fuck it. There's a solo that dunked right here.
Oh, right in front, right in front. Another solo, another solo. Oh, it's just gained altitude. Wait. Oh, yeah.
I can't shoot that one. Oh my god. They keep doing that. Oh, look at solo from live.
Oh, yeah.
Is it Mojo on?
Yeah, it's on. Oh. Dude, come on. These golden eyes are getting. Oh, this got me.
Got me back. Dickhead.
Dude, these golden eyes are getting crazy.
Goose solo. Single goose. Single goose.
Oh, wait.
That fucker went down. He might come in later.
Whenever. I don't
Do you want me to smoke him?
Let him get a little closer.
he's coming, man.
I'll back you up. You shoot first and then I'll shoot.
Okay.
Whenever you want, bud, just let me know.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Greasy Merg action, son.
How about it? Here first duck. Yeah.
Oh, wait, there's a duck up there, though. There is a duck up there. By them swans. What is that up there? That is the goose.
You think that's the goose?
Yes, dude. That is the goose.
Just sit down.
Oh, there he goes. He's dead. I don't know. We shoot him. Go.
I'm sure as soon as I leave, 80 mallards on top of us.
Yeah, go ahead. Go check.
I will.
You know what's gonna happen? We're gonna miss. So. Okay, wait. Shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh my god, it's a black duck! Dude, it's a black duck! I gotta get a kayak. It's a black duck! Oh my god! That's insane! It's a black duck, I swear to god! Dude! I think it's a drake! Holy crap! Are you serious? Holy crap!
You gotta get it.
Oh no, for sure.
Dude, I was looking at it, I'm like, is that what I think it is? Did you hear me yelling?
No.
I was like, is that what I think it is? Mojo?
What?
Tipped over.
No way. Rip.
Let's go, man.
Yes. Perfect.
What a delivery. Still works.
Alright, sweet. Just a little bit full of water.
You think so?
Alright, well, let's give you guys a little showdown right here. I don't know if the camera really does it justice, but we got ourselves a black duck right here. Usually, black ducks are pretty rare around here. We don't really get black ducks at all, except for like during the migration, but it's like for only a couple days really. So stay tuned, hopefully get some more. And yeah. And Mercs, I think.
Oh, you're gonna merge the thing?
Yeah. Oh no!
On
Unbelievable shooting.
Mike.
That's tragic. See, every time. God damn, we suck. We should have so many more too. Unbelievable. Ugh.
Two ducks. Oh my God. Get ready. Wait, not yet. Take him. Oh, got him. No way. I wouldn't even.
Oh my God, it's not this. Kill one. Nice. Okay. Got the Drake.
Definitely not my bird, but look at that.
Just stay down. We're gonna wait a while. Unless we see something cool, just let him go.
2 Drake mallards.
What?
2 Drake mallards.
One's a hen. One's a hen for sure.
Coming right overhead. I don't know if we should wait for a bigger flock.
You don't think so?
No.
Oh my God, here they all come.
Oh my God.
Told you, bro. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, we can't even shoot it. Oh my God, holy fuck. Do we take these forward? Do we let them work?
Oh yeah.
Got him.
Oh!
Nice, too.
I think I shot that Drake out there.
That one?
The Drake, not the one on the right. I shot that one.
I shot that one on the right.
Yeah. There's one. Right into the goose shit, huh? What's wrong with you? Wow. That's how big they're supposed to be.
Okay. Yeah, that thing's big.
Here they come.
Yeah, 2 coming right in.
5.
Oh my God.
We can get them closer than that. We can get them closer than that. 4. We can get them. Let them.
No. Oh, shoot. Oh. Turn behind. They might come in behind us, boys. Oh my God.
Not yet. Not yet.
How'd these look?
One Drake.
Oh my God. No, they're gonna flare on us from behind.
We can get that better
Teal. Shoot the teal.
Fuck the teal.
I shot the teal.
Only you.
Hey. 6 birds is 6 birds.
You crunched that mallard though.
Huh?
You crunched that mallard.
Cody, did you even look at the teal?
What about it?
There's holes in the neck and there's corn falling out of it. And that'll be the end to our day. We shot 15 birds. We got 4 geese, 1 black duck, 1 teal, 8 mallards, and a greasy merganser. So here you go. This is the pick we got here, folks. Absolutely greasy, son. Look at these.
Huge.
That is a nice mallard right there. How was your first hunt?
I loved it. I'm addicted. I'm hooked. So my wallet's cooked.
His wallet
But
is cooked.
I love it, man. It's something else. It's not like I've ever done before. So
Gotcha.
just getting after it.
Just
I love
getting
it.
after
We're
it.
up to another one.
What do you think about this, Cody?
It's the last time you and I will duck hunt this year together.
Oh yeah, actually, shake here.
Yeah.
Shake hands. It's a pleasure hunting with you this year. Good at this. Your butt's still out there kicking, by the way.
Oh yeah, good.
Yeah. I'm gonna come back out here tomorrow and hopefully do as good or better, honestly. I don't know if we could really hit better unless we get a band tomorrow and another black duck, but I doubt that. But stay tuned. See you guys in the next one. See ya!
See ya! See ya!